Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items into your Whatnot show prior to starting. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to get started with Whatnot, but haven't actually started yet. And so if you haven't started yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up, and you'll get $150 in matched seller earnings. So in order to add items to your Whatnot show prior to starting, you do have to create your show first. So we're going to create an example show. So let's call this example show and go ahead and fill out the required askings. So we're just going to say it's Pokemon cards, graded, sudden death. And then for the shipping settings, make sure you set that. As far as the name of the show, we need to set a time. So we're just going to schedule this for tomorrow. Then we're just going to add a thumbnail. And we're just going to take a photo. It's just me sitting on a chair. Now, the primary selling format, we're just going to choose singles and then click on schedule. Okay, so we have our show scheduled. Now, when you have a show scheduled, how it actually works is that you want to click on shop on the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to click on the plus icon on the bottom right. Click on temporary listing. And so let's fill this out. So we'll choose Pokemon cards. We'll call it singles, sudden death. The quantity we'll set to 250 or 280. And then for the shipping profile, this is based on the weight of the item that you're trying to sell, then click on add listing. So that's one way we've added an item, but now let's say that we want to go ahead and add slabs. So we'll do the same thing, create a temporary listing, select the category. We'll call this slabs, and then we'll set the quantity again to 10, and then click on add the shipping profile. Shipping profile is really important because that determines how much people are paying for shipping. Then click on add listing. So hopefully you get the idea as far as how to add items into your Whatnot stream prior to starting. You do have to start the show first. This is just one way to do it, but you could also do it without starting the show, but this is the way that I do it, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add items into your Whatnot show prior to starting. And again, if you want to sign up for being a seller on Whatnot, you can check out my link down below and get $150 in matched earnings.